Living in Redington Beach means enjoying ocean breezes, warm sunshine, and stunning coastal views, but homeowners here also know that seaside living comes with unique challenges. The same salt air and humidity that make the coast so refreshing can wreak havoc on exterior doors over time. From corrosion and warping to fading finishes, coastal conditions can quickly wear down traditional materials. That's why choosing low-maintenance door options is essential for keeping your home both beautiful and protected year-round. Whether you're upgrading your entryway or replacing patio doors, selecting the right materials and finishes can save time, reduce upkeep, and ensure your doors look like new for years. Here are the best low-maintenance door solutions for Redington Beach's coastal climate, and how they combine durability, style, and convenience. Fiberglass doors. The coastal favorite when it comes to weather resistance and easy care, fiberglass doors are hard to beat. Unlike wood, fiberglass doesn't absorb moisture, swell, or warp, making it ideal for humid and salty environments like Redington Beach. Fiberglass doors are engineered to withstand high humidity, direct sunlight, and temperature fluctuations. They also resist fading, cracking, and corrosion, even with constant exposure to salt air. Modern fiberglass doors can even mimic the rich grain of natural wood without the need for constant sanding, painting, or staining. With minimal maintenance, just occasional cleaning with mild soap and water, they can retain their beauty and performance for decades. Why homeowners love fiberglass doors? Virtually maintenance-free, excellent insulation for energy efficiency, resistant to rust, rot, and warping, available in a variety of finishes and styles for Redington Beach homes. Fiberglass doors offer the perfect balance of elegance and endurance. Vinyl patio doors for coastal durability. If you have a beachside patio or deck, vinyl sliding doors are a fantastic low-maintenance option. Vinyl is a non-corrosive material that doesn't rust or deteriorate when exposed to salt air and moisture. These doors provide exceptional durability and insulation, helping keep cool air inside during hot Florida summers. They're also easy to clean. A quick wipe down is usually all that's needed to remove salt residue or sand. In addition to performance, vinyl patio doors are available in a wide range of styles and colors, allowing you to complement your home's architecture while keeping maintenance effortless. Benefits of vinyl patio doors: long-lasting, weather-resistant construction, no painting or staining required, energy efficient, reducing heat transfer, affordable and easy to maintain for Redington Beach homeowners. Vinyl doors deliver reliable performance in a sleek, modern design that stands up beautifully to the coast's challenging environment. Aluminum doors with coastal-grade finishes. Aluminum is another excellent material for low-maintenance coastal doors, especially when paired with specialized protective coatings. While bare aluminum can corrode in salty air, today's manufacturers apply marine-grade powder coatings that prevent oxidation and maintain a clean, glossy appearance. Aluminum doors are lightweight, strong, and highly resistant to impact, ideal for withstanding coastal winds and storms. They're also perfect for modern architectural styles, offering slim frames and large glass panels that maximize natural light and seaside views. Advantages of aluminum doors: exceptional strength with minimal upkeep, resistant to corrosion with proper coating, sleek, contemporary design options, excellent resistance to wind and weather when professionally installed. Coastal-grade aluminum doors provide years of low-maintenance performance without compromising aesthetics. Composite doors: the best of all worlds for homeowners seeking a combination of durability, insulation, and style. Composite doors are an excellent option. Made from a blend of wood fibers, polymers, and resins, these doors resist moisture, rot, and fading, while offering the look and feel of traditional materials. Composite doors are particularly beneficial in Redington Beach's humid conditions, where they stand strong against salt, wind, and rain without constant care. With various color and finish options available, they're both practical and visually appealing. Why composite doors are a smart choice: long-lasting performance with little upkeep, moisture and UV resistance, excellent sound and thermal insulation, variety of customizable designs. Composite doors bring the charm of wood with none of the high maintenance demands, making them a perfect fit for coastal living. Why professional installation matters. Even the best materials won't perform well without professional installation. Local experts in Redington Beach understand the area's unique weather patterns and can ensure your doors are properly sealed, fitted, and finished for maximum protection against salt air and humidity. Professional installation also prevents warping, leaks, and premature wear, extending the life of your investment and keeping maintenance minimal. Final thoughts. In Redington Beach, where ocean views meet challenging seaside conditions, low-maintenance doors are essential for lasting beauty and peace of mind. Fiberglass, vinyl, aluminum, and composite doors all offer durable, stylish solutions designed to resist the elements while enhancing your home's comfort and curb appeal. With the right materials and professional installation, you can enjoy the charm of coastal living without the constant upkeep, letting you spend more time enjoying your seaside paradise and less time worrying about maintenance.